Hello everyone. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for expert advice and inspiration in the realm of outdoor aesthetics. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you dreaming of a lush green sanctuary but live in the middle of a concrete jungle? Do you look at your small balcony or tiny backyard and feel like a beautiful garden is just an impossible dream? Well, think again. In today's video, we're going to prove that you can create an incredible outdoor space, no matter how small your urban plot is. We'll explore the meaning of creative urban garden design, its amazing benefits, and give you 10 of the best ideas to get you started on your own urban oasis. Get ready to be inspired. So, what exactly do we mean by creative urban garden design? It's not just about putting a few potted plants on a patio. It's about a thoughtful and often unconventional approach to maximizing limited space. It's about merging functionality with aesthetics, turning a small, overlooked area into a vibrant, living extension of your home. This type of design requires ingenuity, clever use of vertical space, and a deep understanding of how to use elements like lighting, materials, and a diverse range of plants to create a sense of scale and purpose. Whether it's a rooftop, a balcony, or a narrow side yard, creative urban garden design is about making every square foot count and bringing nature back into our busy city lives. The benefits of having a creative urban garden are truly transformative. First and foremost, they provide a much-needed escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, offering a peaceful sanctuary right outside your door. Studies have shown that spending time in green spaces can significantly reduce stress and improve mental well-being. A well-designed urban garden can also increase the value of your property, making a small outdoor space a highly desirable feature. Beyond the personal benefits, these gardens contribute to a healthier urban environment by improving air quality, supporting local wildlife like birds and butterflies, and even helping to regulate temperature, reducing the urban heat island effect. It's a win-win for you and for the planet. Ready to get started? Here's how you can decorate your urban garden to make it look absolutely beautiful. The key is to think in layers. Start with a solid foundation by choosing materials that complement your home's architecture. Use modern, clean lines for paving or decking to make the space feel larger. Next, introduce your plants. Don't be afraid to go big with a few statement pieces and large planters, as this can create a sense of lushness. Use a variety of textures and leaf shapes to add visual interest. Lighting is also crucial. Strategic use of uplights on trees or string lights over a seating area can completely transform the mood in the evenings. Finally, add decorative elements like comfortable outdoor furniture, cushions with a pop of color, and unique accessories like a fire pit or a water feature to personalize the space and make it truly your own. Now, let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 creative urban garden designs ideas to spark your creativity. 1. The Cozy Hydrangea Retreat. A charming and inviting urban garden that feels both private and spacious. A wooden slatted fence covered with climbing vines creates a beautiful, natural wall. A large, plush sofa set is placed on a paved patio, offering a comfortable spot to relax and socialize. The real stars of the show are the abundant, white-flowered hydrangeas that line the fence, adding a soft, romantic feel to the space. It's a perfect example of using plants to create a sense of enclosure and intimacy. 2. The Modern Balcony Escape. This balcony exemplifies modern minimalism and thoughtful design. The rich, warm tones of the wooden decking contrast beautifully with the sleek gray planters and furniture. The railing, made of clear glass and chrome, maintains an open feel, ensuring the spectacular city view remains the focal point. A variety of potted plants, from large, leafy specimens to feathery grasses, are used to soften the hard lines of the urban environment and create a feeling of natural abundance in a very limited space. 3. The Tidy Patio Garden. This garden seamlessly connects the indoors with the outdoors. The wide bifold doors open onto a spacious patio, creating a fluid transition. The design is clean and orderly, with manicured topiary trees and large terracotta planters creating a sense of symmetry and elegance. A small, neat patch of artificial turf provides a low-maintenance splash of green, while the flowering hydrangea adds a burst of vibrant color. This is an ideal design for those who want a polished, easy-to-manage outdoor space. 4. The sculptural meadow garden. This urban garden stands out with its artistic and naturalistic feel. A winding stone path leads you through a tapestry of different ornamental grasses and colorful perennials. The sculptural fire pit acts as a stunning centerpiece, inviting social gatherings. The clever integration of a built-in bench along the perimeter wall maximizes seating without cluttering the space. This design proves that an urban garden doesn't have to be formal. It can be a wild, beautiful, and functional meadow right in the city. 5. The serene urban rooftop retreat. This elevated garden retreat is a perfect example of a lush, green sanctuary built on a rooftop. The space is a delightful blend of different textures and heights, with mature trees and large shrubs creating a feeling of seclusion. The carefully curated arrangement of clipped boxwoods and flowering hydrangeas provides structure and year-round interest. A comfortable outdoor sofa and a striking blue coffee table create a cozy lounging area, making this a high-end example of how to build a luxurious and private outdoor room in a dense urban setting. 6. The illuminated Zen courtyard. This garden uses light and form to create a truly magical space. The bold, dark horizontal fence is contrasted with the glowing trunks of 3 slender trees, which are theatrically lit from below. The built-in seating area is both minimalist and functional, providing a perfect spot for quiet reflection. Clipped boxwoods in the foreground add a structured element, while the white gravel path brightens the entire space. It's an evening garden designed for mood and atmosphere. 7. The structured backyard oasis. This small, enclosed backyard is a masterclass in spatial design. A wooden deck provides a dedicated area for outdoor dining or lounging, while a large patch of manicured lawn keeps the space feeling open and airy. The dark feature wall with a built-in fireplace adds a dramatic and contemporary focal point. A simple wooden fence along the sides provides privacy, while 2 small, elegant trees add height and a touch of nature to the center. This design is all about creating distinct zones for different activities. 8. The architectural urban courtyard. This design is a perfect marriage of modern architecture and natural elements. The strong, linear lines of the building and the concrete pavers are softened by the lush plantings and raised beds. The thoughtful arrangement of a dining table in the center creates a clear and functional social hub. A small water feature adds a sense of calm and a soothing sound. This garden demonstrates how to use different levels and materials to create a dynamic and engaging space that complements its architectural surroundings. 9. The tropical courtyard haven. A superb demonstration of how to create a vibrant, tropical-inspired garden in a small courtyard. The dark, slatted fence serves as a dramatic backdrop that makes the lush greens of the various ferns, palms, and other broad-leafed plants pop. The clever use of different-sized white and gray planters adds visual depth and a contemporary feel. A rustic wooden bench with plush cushions and a set of stylish wicker chairs create multiple seating options, turning this compact space into a perfect spot for relaxation and entertaining. 10. The rooftop city oasis. This stunning rooftop garden perfectly balances a lush, natural environment with a breathtaking urban skyline. The design features a multi-level layout with a clean-lined wooden deck, providing a warm and inviting social space. Large, white planters filled with ornamental grasses and slender birch trees frame the area, creating a sense of privacy while allowing for expansive city views. The use of a simple yet elegant dining set makes this a perfect spot for entertaining guests under the open sky. It's a masterful example of how to make a rooftop both functional and beautiful. To wrap things up, here are some of the best creative urban garden ideas specifically for small spaces. First, vertical gardens. Use a living wall or modular planters to grow plants on a fence or wall. This is the ultimate space-saving solution. Second, container gardening. Use a variety of pots and planters of different sizes, shapes, and colors to create a movable and flexible garden that you can rearrange as you please. Third, built-in seating. Integrate benches and seating into the design along the perimeter walls. This saves space and creates a streamlined, modern look. Fourth, multifunctional furniture. Choose furniture that serves more than one purpose, like a bench that doubles as storage or a small table that can be a planter. Fifth, mirrors. A large outdoor mirror can create the illusion of more space and reflect light, making your garden feel bigger and brighter. Sixth, layering. Place taller plants in the back and shorter plants in the front to create depth and visual interest, making the space feel more substantial. So there you have it. Proof that a small space is no barrier to creating the garden of your dreams. With a little creativity and these fantastic ideas, you can transform any urban space into your own personal oasis. Which of these designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiration and tips to create a beautiful home and garden. We'll see you in the next video.